Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Allure box. I have to do it this way because they put the label on the front all huge. So, I'm going to take this little knife here and cut this baby open. I don't really know why. I swear, I'm like trying to cut all my skin off of this finger today. And every day that I have a knife because, you know, why do I need skin? So this is the Allure Beauty Box. It seems like there's some good stuff in here. I like that they changed the packaging to an extent, but also I don't at the same time. It's very weird. So there's this chick on the front of this. And then we'll open this baby up. I already see an e.l.f. product. This is the Poreless Putty Primer in Universal Sheer. Open sesame. Okay, let's open you. Smells like nothing. It looks really pink and pretty. I will definitely have to try this. It's like super like moist. I've never used a Poreless Putty Primer before. And this is full size, which is nice. I feel like they've kind of like gypped you lately with the full size, which is kind of lame, but whatever. So this retails for only $8. So that's a pretty good deal for something this big. $8 for however many ounces you are, you don't say. But yeah, that's a pretty good amount. That's $8. I see a Tarte Berry Mojito Rainforest of the Sea lipstick, which these, when these came out, I wanted one so bad just for like the packaging of it because it's so pretty. Holy crap. This is like really good like Christmas holiday color. This color is so dark. But I'm so excited. I love this packaging. I'm super stoked to have that, and it's full size, which is cool. And that retails for $21. So far this box is pretty good already. We just started. Okay, the next thing I see in here is from Vichy, and it is a masked carbon clarifiant. I'm sure this is gonna be really cute. Their packaging, like my best friend really likes their stuff, so I've seen quite a bit of their stuff just from her using it, and the packaging is always like so cute in my opinion, just because like look at that. That is so adorable. So this is a mask. It smells pretty good actually. Nice and gray. And this little baby retails for $20. I don't know if it's for this size or a bigger one. Because I know you can buy these sizes, I think. Because I swear I've seen her buy this size before. But that's that little dude. So far I really like everything that I've been getting. So nice. Alright, this is Anti-Aging Eye Serum from Freeze 24/7. But you can never have too much of this, and you can never start fighting wrinkles too early. Like, I feel like 20 years old is kind of like the age to really start caring like more about your skin, just because, you know, that's when things slowly start going downhill as a human. I know, because once I turned 18 I was like, whoa, our bodies do the weirdest crap, and then it keeps going. It doesn't stop. Like, it doesn't slow down. It's just like, oh, whatever. So that is this. Let's see what the top looks like. Oh my gosh, it's splurging. The top is like a little thin thing. I'm not gonna open it because it's like too full or something. It's like going crazy. And that, the normal size, is $115. So that size is probably really good. But we'll have to find out later when it's not trying to kill everybody. Okay, the next thing is from Curology, and this is Clean Sweep. This is a cleanser. Open. So this normally retails full size for $19.95. So this is a little cleanser. This is like, I think, a sample size of it, because obviously that's what the packaging looks like. so not the same. But yeah, so that's that. Let's see if I can open this without it killing me. Oh, it's cleansed. That's good. I'll have to try this out and see if it works, because I love skincare stuff. It's fun. Alright. And last but not least, from Bliss, that's Incredipeel. And this is a spa strength, I guess, peel. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these little dudes. Do I know how to count? Oh, there's 5. I'm like, 4 or 5. So there's 5 of these little packets in here. And this retails for $19.99 for a box of 15. So this one just has 5. So that's cool. I can't wait to try these. I love all this stuff, so I'm super stoked. It even says 5 pads. I don't know why I had to take this all out. So that is everything that I got in this box. We got a peel. We got a mask. We have a putty primer. We have anti-aging eye stuff, cleanser, and a lipstick. This one is like super skincare based because there's literally 2 makeup products and then 4 skincare, which I'm not complaining. As I've gotten older, I do care more and more about how I take care of my skin. That is like a definite thing that has been a big part of getting older, unfortunately, but it's good. You should take care of your skin. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!